Hey, there's something there. It's plastic something for ice. Well, I haven't getting everything but what I want. Oh my God. Let Daddy be nervous.
Wow. So
I thought I was the only one. Daddy always says I'm the only one in the world that has stuff like this. I mean, really, Molly.
I sure hope you're gonna put that back.
I will.
Because I'm not.
I will. You'll never know it's the same cover. By the time I get done, you'll say, oh, it's actually nice. I'm glad Garrett's not here. He would be very upset.
It just keeps coming.
There's no end.
And you know what's funny? Just a couple of months ago, Garrett cleaned it all out. There's nothing in it.
That's worse shit. I'm not done yet. Look. No way. I didn't find what I was looking for. Oh my God. There's no end to it. God, you'd think it was the neighbor stuff coming through.
Oh my stomach hurts.
Oh my God. In the meantime, the neighbor wondered probably why I keep flashing over there.
Oh
Oh
God.
my God. Oh, Molly. See, it is hereditary. I
Oh,
caused this.
now,
It
are
is
we
my
even
fault.
finding what I'm looking
No,
for?
that's it. I got everything empty.
It's burgundy. Do you see it? Do you see it?
There's one thing that's burgundy here.
How would you know?
Oh my God, Daddy be really nervous.
Oh,
Dustin, do you wonder what we were doing?